Hello everyone. Today's video will be all about the new update of Android 7.0 Nougat on the Note 5, which arrived a couple of days back, and I thought it would be interesting to share some of the new features that has been added into it. So further ado, let's dive into it. First of all, the UI has changed quite a bit. As you can see, the icons of the different apps have changed quite a lot, and also there has been minor changes in the outlook of those apps. Like you can see gallery, there's a change its logo and style of showing, also the color scheme as well. And secondly, as you can see, the almost every feature of S7 has been brought in onto the Note 5, with the exception of uh, what was I about to say? With the exception of the always on display as well as the video enhancing, which I think it's a bit of disappointment, but there are some limitations that have to be taken into account. So let's see what are the major changes that happen. First of all, let's go into the notification bar. There you can see there's totally different color scheme as well as totally different icons as well, and a few more options there, like the performance mode is here. Let's see what it does. And here you can see, here you can set your different settings, customize it. There are a lot of increase brightness, screen resolution can be changed as well. So we will talk about the screen resolution a bit later in detail. And secondly, you can see a lot of the icons are different from the previous version, and it's now the latest and greatest Grace UI, and it is quite fluent as well. Secondly, the big change has come in camera. As you can see, the camera has been totally changed, and it is totally a different now. As you can see, there are a lot of spaces in between the options and stuff, so you can have a complete experience as well. You can swipe on the right side to have the different sort of effects you can apply to it, and I like it very much because the previous camera UI of Samsung was very much a lot of options, and it took a lot of space, and the camera experience was not so great. But this one is, I think, the best of all, and as you can see. And secondly, you have got some settings here that are like let's see other settings as well. You have got the auto mode, the pro mode, the panorama mode, and selective focus. Most of this was already present, and now let's go back and see other things. The icons are totally changed. There is a new sort of search bar at the top, which is different from the previous version as well. And now let's see and go into settings and see what's there new there. As you can see, the settings menu is totally changed with app icons appearing on the left side, and it's very clean. It's not like just options everywhere. It is very much easy and convenient way to change your settings. And let's see what's new in the settings as well. This is the new thing which is called the device maintenance, and let's camera focus on it. You can see there it optimizes your phone automatically, and no need for apps like CClean and etc. It's built in now, everything is there, you can check. As you can see, it is optimizing at the moment. It's telling us to delete some unnecessary file, and it will get a better performance, so I will do that later. Now let's have a look at the options there. There's a battery option, performance mode which is totally optimized for performance of device. It might affect your battery timing, but it will give you the best performance. Device security as well. And now let's go back and see other options. It is very clean, and it's customized so that you can easily change whatever settings you want. Nextly, there are few changes with the S Pen as well. Some new features have been added. You can see there are now, I will show you what I'm talking about. Here you can see magnifying is there. which is come into it, as well as another option that is of glance. Now let's see what glance does. Now let's press the button. Click this, and cannot use glance, open app then try again. Now let's open, for example, we open YouTube. Now we select on glance. It goes onto the side. You can hover this phone over it and it will come to full screen. You can see this. So you are using it, for example, like you are viewing a video. It will go over the S Pen over it again and the video will come up. So you can play it and then it goes back. So this is the hover thing going on. Now let's see what else. There is a magnifier present there. You see, you hover the S Pen over it and it will zoom in for you. This is also kind of a cool feature, especially when browsing on the internet. And now let's cancel it and let's see other things. In settings, pretty much the base stuff, but what I really like is the blue light filter. It's kind of a night mode. It doesn't affect your eyes as much. And then the another thing that I really like is the screen. You can select the resolution that you want. You can lower it to HD, or you can maximize it to WHD. So according to your users you can adjust it. And secondly, screen mode has a bit of change, you can see. And then we can go to the about device option and software info. You can see the build number is now N920CXXU3CQC7 Android Nougat 7.0. It is the official bit, not any custom ROM. It is the official update that has arrived a couple of days back. So now let's see what else has changed here. There are bit and pieces of changes to all the apps, the music app, the gallery app, everything. The camera is the most significant part of it. Here you can see you have a new task. You have a new notification bar where you get quite a lot of options, like you can see there as a performance mode, you can enable it, as well as blue light filter option is available here. And there is your private mode as well, which is already present back. And about the performance and battery life on Red 7.0, I will keep you updated. If I get 100 likes for this video, I am definitely going to make a follow-up video after a couple of days where I will tell about the overall performance, like battery and stuff. So keep liking and subscribing my channel and videos. Thank you.